Hey guys, welcome to our latest how-to video. For this series, we are learning how to make this blazer that my doll is sporting right here. This one is fully lined, uses three kinds of fabrics, and is designed to be loose fit so that your doll can wear something underneath. Special thanks to my friend Mariana for requesting this piece because after trying a lot of prototypes, I've learned so much during the process. So, I hope you have fun learning how to make this piece, guys. I promise it shouldn't be too difficult. So, welcome back, guys. For this third installment of our blazer series, we will be working on the lining part of the garment as well as the shawl lapel or collar of the blazer. The lining has pretty much the same process as the second video, so I won't be having too many voiceovers this time. Yay! So I'll leave you guys with some relaxing, awesome lofi music from Lakey Inspired, whose YouTube links of the music I will be sharing in the description box below. And as always, I am thrilled to answer any questions you may have regarding the materials and the process in the videos. So leave them down in the comment section below, and just maybe, we can help someone who's got the same questions as you have, but too shy to ask. I know this because I was this person many years ago. So, okay. I just want to thank you again for coming over, and I'll see you when we start working on the lapel, alright? Bye for now. And I'm back. Now that we are done with the lining, let's continue with the shawl lapel. Basically, we will just be stitching this curved arch here. We will be leaving the bottom part open. And once stitching is done, let's remove the basting. Then let's trim off some extra seam allowance along the arch to avoid bunching later. Turn to the right side, and this time I use a roundish end to help shape the lapel. And yay! All three major parts of the garment are ready. For the next episode, we will be attaching the lapel in between the lining and the main fabric, as well as hem the front part of the blazer. Thank you so much again for your support for my shop and for watching these how-to videos. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.